Good morning guys, Mike here. Welcome back to another video. Today I am taking Elio on a little walk this beautiful Sunday morning. Poodle, say hi to the vlog. Say hello. Yeah, nice Sunday. Look how beautiful it is right now. But first I need a coffee. I did a little mobile order at Starbucks because I woke up early to shoot a sunrise. So there's that. How you feeling, Poodle? If he's on a walk, he's happy. You know what I mean? What's up, guys? So I got my Starbucks. We are here chilling. I think we're somewhere at Columbia University, but I'm not a student here, but that's okay. I got these potato and chive egg bites. I also got a just a grande iced coffee with some of the sweet cream vanilla creamer. That's super good. Now to eat this without Elio trying to scarf everything down is going to be the next challenge. It's hot. I'll give you potato, but it's a little hot right now, okay? So this little area is part of Columbia University. There's a lot of like the medical school and the nursing school and stuff around my neighborhood. And so I think this is like probably for students, but it's Sunday. And we always just kind of chill here when we want a little break. You want a little potato? It's good, right? You don't really like eggs though. Here, have another potato. So today's gonna be a pretty chill day. I need to go to the grocery store in a bit, and then a little later this afternoon, I want to have this old iPhone 14 Pro, and I want to install iOS 26 on it because I've just been seeing so many screenshots and screen recordings of the liquid glass and the wallpapers, and I'm having a bit of FOMO. I'm just gonna install it. I've never actually installed beta software on any phone before, so it's gonna be a little learning experience. But first breakfast, first coffee, and first like I'm at the park. No, you can't have this. That's onion. Potato's good. What is it? I'm out of food. Now you're bored. Is that what's happening? I'm talking to YouTube. Can you say hi to YouTube? Do you not know what that is? Well, you're on it a lot. Little guy's wiped, except there's still so much more walking to do. But he's chilling, he's a happy boy. Oh, just look at that face though. Honestly, like a weekend morning at the park with my dog is like my favorite part of the whole week. It's just us two, right buddy? So I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie In the Heights, but the bodega that Usnavi runs is actually right here on 175th and Audubon. Right there. So yeah, there's the bodega, and I think like the dispatcher and the beauty salon was all in this corner. So a lot of the movie was filmed right here on 175th and Audubon. Just some Washington Heights fun facts for you guys. We're now here at Highbridge Park, which is named after the Highbridge Tower, which is actually right here. Take a look at that. And the Highbridge Tower is named after the High Bridge, which is just right down here. It's actually a pedestrian bridge that Elio and I walk on all the time. We may not go to it today, but it's this pedestrian bridge right here that connects Manhattan to the Bronx. So Manhattan on this side, the Bronx on that side. and there's like a trail that goes all the way down, which is the main Highbridge Park area. And that's what's good about living uptown. We have access to a lot of parks, not just Central. If you go downtown below Central Park, these parks are just kind of these little concrete squares with some trees. I don't know. Kind of sad to me, but to each their own, I guess. Cute boy.
Are you sunbathing? Is it nice after a long walk?
So yesterday I cleaned my AirPods Maxes because I don't know if any of you guys have the white or silver AirPods Max, or if you have like one of the white HomePods, but they get a little dirty over time. You definitely have to clean them. But the Apple website says you should wait 24 hours before reconnecting the cushions to the headphones again, which it has been officially 24 hours now. So we'll go ahead and connect these. And yeah, nothing really too extensive. But yeah, I'll definitely put a link in the description from Apple's website on how to clean your AirPods Max. But pretty much all I did was get 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, can't remember which one, of laundry detergent, mixed it with a cup of water. Then I would kind of dip a lint-free cloth in there and just kind of start dabbing it around, you know, kind of scraping some of the dirt off. And then I would do that for a minute on each side. And I did it for 2 rounds. And then after that, I got a cloth with just water, just to kind of, you know, get the soap off. Followed that by patting it down with a dry cloth, and then kept it separated for 24 hours. And they look pretty good, not gonna lie. I wish I recorded them before to show you guys kind of like the state they were in before. They weren't too bad, but every few months I'll go through the process and just give them a good cleaning. Okay, so I have this old iPhone 14 Pro Max. This one was actually my husband's. He's actually currently using my old phone. But I want to try installing the public beta of iOS 26 on this phone. I have never actually installed a beta of any Apple software before, so this will be a first time for me, so I need to look up how to do that. Definitely not gonna install it on my Mac. I cannot, I don't know, I get nervous. I get so nervous to put beta software on like my main daily use devices. You just don't want things to go wrong in a moment where you really can't afford for them to go wrong. So I'm gonna go do Apple beta software program, sign up. I'm here on Apple's beta software website. I'll put a screen right here or right here, whichever looks better. And so let's get started. The Apple beta software program is now available for iOS 26. If you are a new member, please enroll your iOS device. Once enrolled, you'll be able to get a notification when a new beta is available and can install it from software update on your iOS device. So let's click on enroll your iOS device. Archive a backup. This phone is all good. Turn on beta updates. Go to settings, general, software update. So we'll do that. Settings, general, software update, beta updates, iOS 26 public beta, back. Oh, and it looks like it's as easy as that. I don't know why I thought it would be more complicated. So we'll click update now. Let's just wait and see what happens. This is exciting. Oh my God. Okay, we are verifying the update. But I still don't see, oh, here we go. Here's the Apple logo. So we are now installing iOS 26 public beta. So when it's all done, we can go through it together and we could like change the icons. And also one thing I always love to do when there's a new like major iOS update, see if there's any fun new ringtones, which sometimes there is, sometimes there's not, but there's always new wallpapers to enjoy. So I'm very excited. So we got the hello welcome screen going on, so I'm gonna swipe up. I'm gonna enter my passcode. Wow. Software update complete. Your phone has been updated to iOS 26.0. We'll do all that later. Welcome, get started. So here is iOS 26. As you can see, there is a complete redesign of a lot of the app icons. I think they look so good. One thing I am loving is that the camera app has kind of gone back to that OG original iPhone camera icon that to me was always like my favorite. I was kind of sad they kind of went away from that like single lens look, but I'm loving it. I'm loving all of the look and feel of everything. Let's go see what we can do for the app icons, customize. Here's the one I really want to see, this clear. Wow, that looks nice. Let's go to wallpaper, add new wallpaper. I just want to see some of the new iOS 26 ones. Anyways, and I want to do this one. Dusk, Halo, Sky, Shadow, Dynamic. I think Dynamic goes through all of them. I think I'm gonna do Sky. I kind of like Sky. And I actually like it when the background's blurred. And then the home screen, right? That's like something new you can do. I like this one, the round edges. I like to make it a little thin. On my home screen, I usually do weather, I like to do battery, and I like to do fitness rings. I actually like them to be like that. And then up here, I like to have my calendar. And then, oh, there's more widgets down here. Oh, so it's down here now. And now let's see that with the clear, which is how I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that just looks so sick. But I can see like why, if you have like a photo back as your wallpaper, that it can kind of look messy. But if you have like a clean minimal wallpaper, I think liquid glass is gonna look amazing for you. I don't usually use photos as my wallpaper, so this works for me. I love the color though. I'm gonna be so torn going back and forth between the clear and not just leave it in on light. I like to do it on automatic. Same thing with my phone, light mode during the day, dark mode at night. That's just how I do it. That's the correct way to do it. Just kidding, however you wanna do it. I do want to also hear the ringtones, sound and haptics, obviously. So, that's the new one. I think kind of like Alt-1. Okay. Wow. This looks good. Yeah, I think for today's sake, let's leave it clear. Looks nice, right? Yep, that's iOS 26. I'm gonna play around with this some more. Future thoughts to come. Do you know we're leaving, Pup Pup? You have to stay. You can't come to dinner. But maybe we'll bring you back something. Look how handsome you look. You look so chic. Elio's about to go crazy on us. It's so sad. And look how pretty this street is. These brownstones. I see the restaurant. I hope there's not a wait. What was the favorite thing you ate?
The sake.
The sake.
It was so good.
I'm such a dessert boy. That tempura ice cream was so good. How do you fry ice cream and have it not melt? Sushi was also really good, and the asahi was only $6, so you really can't beat that. Forgot what the restaurant was called, but we have to go back, most
Raku.
definitely. Raku something. What are you looking at?
Looking at the hydrangea.
Oh, we're home. We missed you. We missed you, baby. We missed you, poodle. Where'd Daddy go? He'll be on in a sec. I think that is it for me now. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little low-key day, just kind of went to the park, installed iOS 26 and went to dinner, but you know, sometimes
that's just what the day is. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I make New York City videos every single week. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.